Hey traders, welcome back to my channel. Today we are looking at some pairs for the week. So I wanted to get this uploaded in the morning, but just didn't get around to it. So we're going to look at some pairs today. Now I will let you know early on, we're not going to have as many great setups this week, okay? And next week I'm not even going to bother. It's because it's the holiday season. You guys know there's not much movement in the markets. We can still take great opportunities when they come, but just be prepared for them to be less, okay? Because price just is not moving as fast. There's not as much happening. That being said, we can certainly look at what we have for the week. I do have something on the euro and the yen, EJ. So let's just look at this now. But I did, just next week there won't be as many videos. So bear with me. It's the holidays. I'm going to take Christmas off, just 1 or 2 days. But so just keep that in mind. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, of course. So this is what I'm looking at on the yen. So we have been trending up for some time now on the 4-hour chart, which is what I'm more concerned with at this point. Okay, so I'm not going to be taking any sells, even though price was trending down for a long time. We did see structure be completely broken. So now we are looking for buys. And what I'm going to do is draw in a fib zone. So this move has completed, okay, this upward move. So we're going to start from the bottom of that move to the top of that move, okay? And then we're going to box in our 50 to 61.8. And I will give you the numbers to this zone because I know you guys wanted me to in the last video. Let me get it drawn in and make sure it's a good one. All right, so it's looking like it's going to be a pretty good level. Actually, I'm going to move it a little bit, I think. No, it's good. So that's our middle level there. So this is going to be around 121.180. So just draw a line on 121.180 and then box around it. Okay. That's the zone I'm looking at. So right now, actually price did come down very, very close to it. And it seems to be pulling back right now. Okay. So it seems to be pulling back, but it did not come down to the 61.8, which is where I really like to see it. So that being said, I still will look for an opportunity for that to happen. Even though it came close, it didn't quite get there, okay? And I like to see it come all the way down to that zone before, or I would like to see it come all the way down to that zone before I would buy. So let's wait for that. If price comes down here, obviously we're going to look for rejection. Let me write that in. So a nice rejection candle. And then obviously we look for confirmation. And again, I look for that on the 15-minute or the 5-minute chart. And we're going to take it all the way up to that higher zone. Now, the other thing that could happen is price could, because remember, guys, I'm not a fortune teller. I don't know where price is going to go, right? I can only guide you when it does. So if price should continue on up from here, what I want you to do is wait for that move to happen. Okay, so let it play out. Don't bother entering. Don't buy. Don't sell. Nothing like that. Wait for it to finish, and when it starts pulling back, so when it's already bearish on the 4-hour chart, redraw that fib that I just drew in. Actually, I'm sorry, my apologies. Draw in a fib from the beginning, okay, of that upward move, so to where I am now, which is where what I'm thinking is a pullback began, and bring it up to wherever price ends up, and that will be the new zone you're looking at. But that's only if we don't see price come down to the level I'm looking at, okay? I'm just trying to prepare you. So yeah, that's what I'm looking at on EJ. So basically buys. Buys. And then GU was the other pair. And really that's all I have, guys. I don't really have too much. So what I'm looking for on GU, oh my goodness, did this just happen? I was just marking this up before. And oh my God, did that just happen? Right in the middle of our video. Oh, it did. We're getting a breakout right now. Okay. Well, I'm going to take you through what I was looking at. And oh, this is so funny. So what I was going to tell you, so if we're looking at the daily on this pair, and you guys might still be able to get in with a late entry if this slows down. What I was looking at here, so on the daily, guys, we can see that we're at a key level, right? Now, my bias on this pair has changed, so don't come for me in the comments. As price moves and I see different structure being broken and things happening and different price action, my perspective changes. Okay, that's normal. So what I told you last week might not be exactly the same this week because things are changing in the market, right? It only makes sense. What I did see was a major rejection here. Now I know this. We got a bit of a fake out here. It was just news, so I ignore that. But it did come up to this zone and now is rejecting it. And so, what I was looking for and what I was going to tell you was wait for a breakout of this area, which we actually are actively getting. So, it's unfortunate because you guys are probably watching this video, but maybe this is just going to be, maybe this won't give us a full breakout and you can still monitor. But if we get a breakout here, what I was going to tell you was to take a sell down to this lower zone, okay? Or that's what I would do. Obviously, you guys have to do your own analysis as well, but I would take it down to this lower zone. So I'm bearish on GU. And let's see. That zone is, look at 1.294 and then put a, that was the most Canadian for ever. Oh, I'm being silly today. Yeah, so look at 1.294, draw a box around it, and then ride down after your breakout. It hasn't quite happened yet, but I'm thinking we're going to get it now, which is, like I said, unfortunate because I want you guys to be able to avail of these trades. But I'll have this posted for you shortly. I know it's only 2 pairs, you guys, and I am sorry about that. But just, I can't make things happen in the market. There'll be way more when I start doing these videos, like in the future. There'll be way more. So yeah, that is it. And actually, we have been trending down for some time. So really, if we're looking at the weekly, structure hasn't been broken. I think on the daily it was. But anyway, still bearish on the pair, and that is my outlook for the week. Hopefully this helped you guys, and let me know if you liked it. Feel free to let me know what you guys are thinking about these pairs, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video.